So you guys, here's my new updated bike check for 2013. Starting off here at the top, I got ODI Barnes with ODI long neck grips, Colt Death Row V2 bars. I got Colt top load stem with hollow bolts. I got Odyssey integrated headset, black and gold spacers, Federal Bruno Hoffman frame. I got the Duo pad seat, really nice. I got Federal seat post in gold, Odyssey twisted PCs, Demolition Revolt cranks, Demolition sprocket, stolen shackle chain, Odyssey CS forks. I got a Kink Lyra tire in the front, Kink Lyra tire in the back. Switching up, going black walls. I got rid of my tan walls because I got a little bored. I wanted to do something a little different. I got Odyssey hazard light rim, Animal Javelin front hub, Animal Javelin, 2 G-Sport Gland hub guards with the zip ties, Animal light peg, Kink light peg. I got Shadow peg, and then I got another Animal MK3 or light, whatever you want to call it, BSD Jersey barrier hub guard, Primo drive side hub guard, Odyssey hazard light rim released to an Odyssey V3 hub. I got a Demolition bottom bracket, and yeah, that's my bike check. If you want to see some videos, I'll put a link down of our newest edit, and go check our channel. I'll put up maybe a couple clips of me doing some tricks after this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.